Groundfloor app. The pros, the cons. Groundfloor is a real estate investing platform that allows users to invest in short-term property loans. But is it the right fit for your investment portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, low entry point. Investors can start with as little as, making real estate accessible to a wide audience. Second, passive income potential. Groundfloor offers fixed interest returns on property loans, providing predictable income. Third, transparency. The platform shares detailed project information, including borrower history and projected returns, helping investors make informed choices. Now, the cons. One limitation is risk. Real estate loans carry the potential for defaults, which can affect returns. Another drawback is liquidity. Investments are not easily sold, making them better suited for long-term commitments. The surprising truth? Many people assume real estate investing requires large capital. Groundfloor proves you can diversify into property with small amounts and still earn meaningful returns. In conclusion, the pros: low entry, passive income, and transparency make Groundfloor a good option for beginner and intermediate investors seeking real estate exposure. The cons: risk and liquidity mean it's best for those with patience and a long-term perspective.